Hello and welcome back guys to Antique Tech. In this video we are gonna be talking about the Blue Snowball ice condenser microphone. I've been using this mic for quite some time, like 2 years now, and this is my review of it. And before starting this review, I just wanna let you know that I am recording this on my Blue Snowball microphone, which is sitting over here. And without further ado, let's get started. The Blue Snowball ice condenser microphone is capable of recording some excellent quality audios for your YouTube videos, your podcast, or your vocals, whatever you wanna do with it. Let's talk about the build quality. The build quality of this mic is pretty awesome because it has some good metallic legs and the top part is made up of plastic. In my case, in the other version, that is Blue Snowball mic, it is made up of completely metal. This mic uses a USB 2.0 cable, which is A male to B male. On the below part of the mic there is a screw where you can easily unscrew the legs if you want to and put it over your DSLR or whatever you wanna do, but I'd suggest not to do because it can easily stand up on the table and or your desk. This mic is pretty heavy to hold, which makes it looks like it's of good premium quality, and build material is also great because I've been using it for 2 years and I have dropped it a couple of times harsh on the floor, and thankfully it has survived and there are no problems in recording or any kind of damage to the cable or anything like that. There are some metallic grills on the front of the microphone which actually works as a wind filter, small wind filter, not much. You have to use a wind filter for yourself. Best thing about this mic is it is easy plug and play directly to your PC, Mac or mobile phone. No drivers are needed. You do not have to install any kind of drivers. You just need a recording software. For example, you can use Audacity in Windows and iCE voice recorder in your Android smartphone. In Android smartphone, I'll show you how to record it. If you want to record your voice in PC or laptop using this microphone, you just have to use the mic and attach the cable into your USB port in computer or laptop and just download an app called Audacity and directly start recording. If you want to use this mic to record on your smartphone, you will need an OTG cable for that. Audio quality that comes from this mic is simply superb. You just need a tiny bit of post-production, means a little bit of noise reduction, but this mic is cardioid, which means it will record voice from only one direction and it will block noise and other voices from other directions, which is simply great for YouTube videos. Considering the size of this mic, it is only good for sitting on the table or your desk, not for carrying it around everywhere because it has no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, NFC like this, like all those things. So it is simple a plug and play mic. Bought this mic around 2 years ago at rupees 5.5 thousand Indian rupees, and today if you check this on Amazon, it comes at rupees 4,000, which is pretty good at this price. But you can use other mics as well which are wireless and which record great quality too. For example, Zoom H1 records some excellent quality audio and it has many other functions too. Hello 1 2 3 mic test 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3 mic test 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3 mic test 1 2 3. So guys, do let me know in the comment section below if you like this Blue Snowball and your thoughts about this mic, and if you are a user of Blue Snowball mic, so do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and share this video with your friends. And if you are a Zoom H1 user, do let me know how it works and which one do you think is better. Till then, have a great day and thanks for watching.